and they had cleared the number of shacks on all the beaches of Goa. Now there is some discrepancy that the shacks went on the land where the fishermen were doing their traditional business. So that land was always kept vacant for them. Raponkars, the boat owners, the traditional boat owners who bring the boats up. So we don't want the shacks to be going in their places and they getting disturbed. So we have requested them to come back for inspection, which they have come back. They have seen the ground reality and now they said they would change. That's why we asked the intervention of the Honorable Chief Minister, which he agreed to talk to them, and they went for the inspection. Now they will place their report before the authority and authority will take the decision. And number of shacks which are given are the same. We are not saying anything except Anjuna, where they have deducted 5 shacks. So here the shacks which are gone in one location have to be relocated as per the size, that is the distance of 5 meters. Only which are gone in other wards should come back in the same ward, and which are placed where the traditional fishermen are there should be shifted as per the original.
That is in Baga, Kalangut.
Some area in Gauravada, Kalangut, some area in Dando, and in Sawant, Dando, Candolim. And there are some problems in Anjuna, Bagator, Shapura.